SQM. Potassium nitrate, safe handling. SQM produces potassium nitrate from caliche ore and salar brines, two natural resources found in northern Chile. Caliche is mined from surface deposits in the Atacama Desert. The salar brines are pumped from beneath the Atacama salt flats. Crystals are highly soluble in water. Potassium nitrate does not pose a safety risk. The proper storage of potassium nitrate reduces risks. Potassium nitrate is not explosive, will not propagate combustion. It is a solid, inorganic nitrate available in both crystalline and prilled form. The oxidizing properties of potassium nitrate depend on the size of the particles. Crystalline potassium nitrate is considered an oxidizer, UN 5.1, while larger-sized prilled potassium nitrate and potassium nitrate-based fertilizers are not classified as oxidizers. For example, Crop K+. Potassium nitrate is significantly different from ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate has both an oxidizing group and a reducing group. In contrast, potassium nitrate contains an oxidizing group, but not a reducing group. Potassium nitrate is stable even at elevated temperatures, 500 degrees Celsius or 932 degrees Fahrenheit, while ammonium nitrate starts to decompose at 230 degrees Celsius or 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Ammonium nitrate rapidly releases gases and in a confined or closed environment may cause an explosion if it is suddenly heated to between 260 and 300 degrees Celsius or 500 and 572 degrees Fahrenheit. The risk of explosion increases when ammonium nitrate is contaminated or combined with organic material, flammable material, or powdered metals, such as aluminum or zinc. Potassium nitrate melts at 334 degrees Celsius or 633 degrees Fahrenheit, solid to liquid, and decomposes at 550 degrees Celsius or 1022 degrees Fahrenheit. Molten potassium nitrate is widely used in thermal solar power plants for energy storage purposes in a binary mixture of molten salts composed of 40% potassium nitrate and 60% sodium nitrate. Best practices for the storage of potassium nitrate and potassium nitrate-based fertilizers. Safety equipment for workers, safety helmet, face mask, gloves, safety vest, and safety glasses. Products should be protected against humidity, direct sunlight, and abrupt temperature fluctuations to preserve their quality. Fertilizers should be moved out of the store in the order in which they were received. First in, first out. Stacking. Big bags and 25-kilogram bags should always be stacked on pallets and not directly on the floor. Big bags should be stored in the form of a pyramid. Spilled or contaminated fertilizer should be collected, kept separate, and appropriately marked. Access to storage areas should be for authorized persons only. Clean the storage area before putting fertilizers in the store. Remove any dust. Keep all rubbish in containers and safely remove it. Ensure that the top of each stack is at least 1 meter below any roof beam or light fixture. All electrical switches and cables should not be in contact with potassium nitrate. Switches, electrical cable, electrical equipment should be properly maintained. Oxidizing potassium nitrate and potassium nitrate-based fertilizers should be kept away from combustible or flammable material. Smoking, open flames, and unauthorized sparking are strictly prohibited. Wood chips, charcoal, diesel fuel, and oil should not be nearby. In case of a small fire, spray with water. For large fires, spray with abundant water. Forklift trucks should not have any fuel or oil leaks. No fuel leaks, no oil leaks. They should be carefully cleaned after use in a dedicated area. Transport and other vehicles should not be parked in or near the storage area unless being loaded or unloaded. Vehicles should not be left unattended with the engine running. SQM, naturally better.